Welcome to our OrderEm tutorial. Today we are going to create a winning menu for your online store. Log into your OrderEm account and go to the Your Location section under your business name in the left side tree structure. Click on the Menu, Item, Products option from the drop-down to open the menu page. If you are a Clover account holder, you won't be able to add a menu on your OrderEm account, but you have an option to import the menu through Clover. Click the Import from Clover button and you will automatically see your Clover menu. Select the categories and hit this button to import your menu. Select the Lock Menu button to lock your menu. Please note, if you remove an item or category in Clover and at the same time if the user tries to place the order and in case that order fails, then your Clover menu is re-imported. However, if you lock your menu, it won't be re-imported automatically. You can replicate the same menu for other locations by ticking the All Locations checkbox. You may edit or delete a category by clicking the Edit and Delete symbols in the menu categories. Click on the Manage option to view all item options. Click on one of the items to edit it. You may edit more details. There's also a provision to delete the item options. You can also export your business menu to a given location by clicking on the Export Menu option beside the Add Menu option. Enter the desired location and hit the Export button. Now coming back to menu categories, if you want to edit the category settings, click the Edit button corresponding to a particular category and you will see a pop-up. You cannot edit the category name on the OrderEm menu page. But you always have the option to rename the category on your Clover website or Clover menu app. You can add a category description and then enable the category status to active by clicking on Yes, which means that the category is available to order. If you don't want to show it, you can do that by clicking on No. However, if you select the View checkbox, your menu will be displayed on your online ordering page but is not available to add to cart. If you don't want to charge sales tax for this category, select this checkbox. If you want to expand this category automatically in an online ordering page, please select Override Category Collapse. There's a provision to set individual taxes for this category. You may enter the tax percentage here, and also assign a tax name in the tax label box. If you do not assign any name, the default tax name is displayed. Upload the category image here. If you want to set a specific preparation time, activate the custom prep time to Yes, and add a desired preparation time in the box below. Specify whether the item is available for pickup, delivery, catering or shipping. You can choose one or more options. If you need a customer ID proof to validate their identity before delivery, you can enable the feature here. Finally, hit the Save button to update all the changes. If you want to edit item settings, kindly choose one particular category by clicking the category name and you will see all the items of that category. Now, if you wish to add more options on the item page like weight details, item inventory and price type, go the menu settings link on the right and set the desired options to Yes, and click Save. Please see, if you select the business option, the item options will be displayed for all locations, and if you select the location option, the item options will be displayed in the created location. Now we move to the Clover menu settings. The system asks to allow OrderEm to manage category or item or option sort order. If you select Yes, your menu will be imported as per the Clover settings. If you select No, the menu will be imported as per the OrderEm's existing settings. Click Yes to automatically update the stock in real time as per Clover. Save the settings. Now moving back to menu categories, click on an item. Click the Edit button to edit the item. The item pop-up will be displayed automatically. Click the Delete button to delete the item. If you want to edit item settings, please click Edit button, then automatically displayed one item pop-up. Please note, you won't be able to edit the item name in OrderEm menu settings. But you can do that from the Clover website or Clover menu. The same applies for category and base price of the item. Select the price type from the drop-down, be it fixed, or per pound, or per gallon, etc. And then set the item status to active by selecting Yes. If you select Yes, your item is available to order. Now upload the item image as per the given dimension settings. Add your item description in the given box. Now, if you want to make your item available for a specific order type, tick the desired option. Furthermore, you have a provision to specify your item attribute by ticking the desired options provided here. If you want to stop tax charges for this particular item, please select this checkbox. You may edit your item inventory if you want to show the item quantity. Once you click on DD Edit Inventory, an inventory pop-up opens. Enter the item quantity, product code and SKU. Click Save once done. Please note, if you want to use this inventory feature, kindly enable the inventory option on the menu settings page in Add Items. Click on that item again and you will see the inventory option being displayed. If you want to add a product video, there's a provision to add a video link. If applicable, you can also add and edit the recipe for your product item. Remember to set the recipe option to Yes to display the Add, Edit Recipe button. You can control your product image position by selecting the desired option from here. Lastly, if you don't want to show the product description, select No. Don't forget to save the settings after making the desired changes. Please note, if you have a Clover account you cannot add or edit the item options from here. If you want to do that, go to your Clover website or Clover menu app to add and import the menu. However, if you don't have Clover, you can edit the item option settings from here. Click this button to see the item option choices. Say packing for instance. If you unselect this checkbox, there are no packing charges on any items on your online ordering page. However, if you want to levy charges, select the desired checkbox. You can edit, delete the packing option by clicking on the respective symbols on the right. Edit the item option name if you want to change name. Enable display name for your item if you want it to be different from the default item option name. Enter the display name. This is the name that shows on your online ordering page. Now we come to the option type, which is how your option items will be displayed. In the drop-down you can see radio button, checkbox, multi-line text box, drop-down and flow buttons. So if you select the radio button, all options will be displayed as radio buttons on your online ordering page. Similarly, if you select checkboxes, all options will be displayed as checkboxes on the online ordering page. Same goes for drop-down. If you select the multi-line text box, you can add multiple item options, and all options will be displayed as multi-line text box. And lastly, if you select flow buttons, all item options will be displayed as buttons on your online ordering page. Now you can control how your item options are selected by choosing option value or default value options. If you select option value, users will need to select the required item options on your online ordering page. However, if you select default value, the item option will be automatically selected. If you want to change an item choice, kindly edit in this box as required. You can edit the choice pricing and upload a choice image which will be displayed on your online ordering page. Remember to select the Notify checkbox if you want this choice to be shown on the cart page, submission page and the confirmation page. There's also a provision to activate and deactivate the Notify checkboxes per your requirement. If you want to show the choice quantity, please select Allow Selection of Option Choice Quantity. It will display a box where you can specify the quantity. If you want to set a bar on choices, specify minimum and maximum selection quantities. If you have any zero price choices, please select a number here. Click Save after editing all the settings. If you set option flow to yes, your item options can be displayed on multiple screens as per the option settings for that item on OrderEm. As soon as you set it to yes, you will see a provision to add screens. Please note, if you want to see this option flow settings in the item page you need at least 2 item options. If you click the Add Screen button, all the items options are added to one screen. If you want to add multiple screens, remove that particular item option from this screen and use the drop-downs in red to select item option names and click the Save button once done. Now all the items will be displayed on different screens. Lastly, click the Save button to save all the changes. After completing all settings, you can use this menu in the online ordering page. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and were able to publish your website on the go. In case of any queries, feel free to get in touch.